Okay, this is the second leg of our flight to Florida. Our first leg was from Bridgewater to Liverpool, and now we're going to be flying to Boston, and we're going to be flying in the Textron Aviation CESSNA Citation CJ4. Okay, here we are at Liverpool in our Textron Aviation CESSNA Citation CJ4, and our flaps are down. We're ready for takeoff, and the weather today is visibility is poor and it's snowing. So let's take a look inside. Just going to turn up some floodlights here so we can see a little better. See our flaps are down 15% for takeoff. So now we have to set some stuff up inside the aircraft. So here's our primary screen, and we want to set our altitude. I'm going to set it at 5,000, say. So you can see that scrolling up and down. We're at 5,000 now. So let's take a look at, this is our altitude tape, this is our speed tape, and here's our screen, primary screen, showing us our, right now, our flight plan in the magenta line, which we will follow once we put on the autopilot. So let's take a look here. This is to swap nav frequencies right here. The flight director, the vertical speed mode, up or down. We won't have to be concerned about these buttons. So this is to go down, this is to go up. And we're going to use the nav button. The heading won't have to worry about that because we're going to be on autopilot. Here's our approach when we get close to the runway. This is our go around, back course mode. That's our altitude set, and we already did that. And we don't need to turn that on. That'll take care of the autopilot. Here's the yaw damper. Here's the autopilot. We can look at our flight plan. So it's from Liverpool to Boston. There's our legs, different waypoints. Off we go. You can see our flaps are around 15%. So we're going to put the autopilot on. So V1, rotate. On autopilot now and turning to pick up our flight plan. So we want to make sure we can have our flaps. And then when we get up and stop. So we're heading towards 5,000 feet. Up that speed. It's very powerful aircraft. So for 5,000 feet, we want to be definitely around 250 for cruising. so when we get near Boston, we're going to have to swap our nav frequency to pick up our localizer for our landing. So you can see there we're heading towards our flight plan. So looking at our flight management system here, at Plan we need to be right here at 3,000. So like I said, my co-pilot here is my brother Alan, and I must say Alan, you really do charter nice aircraft for the family, so we can get down to Florida in style. Thank you very much. You all know you get more money than I do. I do love to fly, so it's a real treat to be flying this jet. It's beauty, that's for sure. Very fuel efficient too. So our flight plan was in a yellow line. Once we activated it, turned magenta. So we now know it's activated for the approach waypoints. So we do that on our flight management thing. We can go to departure arrival, and there, and then click on select your runway, and you'll get click on route, and you'll get activate, and you simply click activate like you did, and then execute as well. Now we're coming up the way, and we need to let's take a look at our plan here and our legs. So we need to be at 4,000 inch per hour, and then we need to send 3,000. The air traffic control will probably tell us that. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Please put on your seat belts. So visibility is poor right now. So we're going to need to use our localizer and ILS approaching. 3,000. Set our altitude to 3,000. And I'll activate that shortly. Okay, we're going to start descending now. Going to put some flaps down.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
And we're going to put
Landing
down our
gear.
landing gear. And we are going to hit localizer. And we're going to hit approach shortly. Approach button here. So when that turns green, we'll know we picked up the glide slope. So we're going to decrease our speed. Some more flaps down. So we picked up the glide slope now, so we're descending. See, it's turned green here.
Cleared to land runway 22 left Air Canada 007.
everybody. Welcome to Boston. Logan International
Air Canada
Airport.
007, exit runway when able. Air Canada 007, contact ground on 134.05. 134.05, Air Canada 007.
So the weather's expected to be a lot better tomorrow for our departure. Probably go to New York City. Maybe do a little tour around there and see the Statue of Liberty. We'll have to discuss that tonight around dinner. We're going to go to Cheers in Boston, famous restaurant from the TV show. Okay, let's contact John and see where we go for parking. Let's taxi to the gates.
Boston ground, Air Canada 007, request taxi to the gate. Air Canada 007, taxi to gate Charlie 28 using taxiway Foxtrot, cross runway 4 left Foxtrot, Bravo, Quebec Alpha. Taxiing to gate Charlie 28 via taxiway Foxtrot, cross runway 4 left Foxtrot, Bravo, Quebec Alpha, Air Canada 007.
Okay, thank you very much for joining me on this flight, leg 2 on our trip to Florida. And we'll see you tomorrow for takeoff from Boston to our next destination.